Prospective API Key. This tutorial will explain how to obtain the required Google Prospective API key for the toxicity analysis on Communalytic. Step 1. To begin, click on the My Profile button in the upper right corner of the homepage. Step 2. From here, look for a section called API Keys. If you already have an API key for Google Prospective, click the Enter Key button to add your API key. If you don't have a Prospective API key, we will explain how to apply for one from Google. We recommend using a personal Gmail account to request an API key. Some institutional emails may block Google Cloud Console API key requests. To begin the process of obtaining your API key, click these steps and open the link in a new tab. Step 3. Here, find the hyperlink for Google Cloud Console on the page, then click on it. It will take you to the Google Cloud Console where you can apply for a Prospective API key. Step 4. If you haven't used Google APIs before, you will need to create a new project. Click the Create Project button on the right to open a new project. Step 5. From here, begin by creating a name for your project. Also, note that when using an institutional university Google account to create a Google project, you may need to request permission from your domain administrator to create a project. If you have a personal Gmail account, we recommend using it here. When you have completed the form, click Create. Step 6. After you created a new Google Cloud project, you will need to apply for academic access to Prospective API via this online form linked in our text tutorial. Google will send you an email confirmation once your request is approved. Please note that Prospective API is a service provided by Google, so any questions about this API should be direct to Google using their contact form. Step 7. Once you have created a new project and your Prospective API access request has been approved, you can now click the API Library link. Step 8. From here, type Prospective in the search bar to search for Prospective Comment Analyzer API. Step 9. When Prospective Comment Analyzer API pops up, click on it. Step 10. On the Prospective Comment Analyzer API homepage, click Enable. Step 11. After your Prospective Comment Analyzer API has been enabled, you will need to obtain your API key. To do so, begin by clicking the Credentials button on the top left corner of your browser. Step 12. Select the Credentials in APIs and Services link below the title. Step 13. From here, click Create Credentials to open the drop-down menu. Then choose the first option, API Key. Step 14. This is your API key for Google Prospective service. Copy the link and close the pop-up. Step 15. Return to your Communalytic profile page and click Enter Key. Paste or type your API key into the text box and click Submit. Now your API key is all set. Step 16. Now you're ready to conduct toxicity analysis with your data. You can also remove your key at any time using the Remove Key button.